Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by picking a trusted auto clicker and confirming it matches your operating system. Once installed, run it with administrator privileges so it can simulate clicks system-wide. Make sure to disable any conflicting macro or security tools temporarily. Next, choose the click type, single, double, or right-click, and set the base interval in milliseconds, for example 100 ms, to control rhythm. After that, save a simple profile. This gets you ready to map controls and begin automating immediately. Once done, open the settings and map where the clicks should land. Choose a fixed coordinate, relative offsets, or follow cursor mode depending on the task. You must assign hotkeys for start, stop, and pause so you maintain control. Test each binding immediately to avoid surprises. Then tune advanced options like click randomness to mimic human timing, click and hold duration for drag operations, and repeat count for loops. Finally, save this as a named profile so you can reuse it across similar tasks. You launch a short test run on a harmless area to confirm timing and accuracy. Watch for missed targets or unexpected behavior. If something goes wrong, use the pause hotkey and step in manually. Do not rely on the tool unattended until you trust the profile. If clicks misalign, reduce speed, add a small randomness value to mimic human input, or recalibrate the coordinates. Logging helps diagnose intermittent issues. Finally, make backup profiles and clean up permissions when finished to restore system security.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.